Hello and welcome to Panasonic. My name is Bruce and this is How to Do a Thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually tune in your TV to a satellite. Now, why you might do this is if you've moved house and all of a sudden you don't have a UHF aerial, you've only got a satellite signal, or if you move out into the country and you can't get UHF or Freeview signal from a UHF aerial. So, there are a couple of things you'll need to do in your TV when setting it up. First of all, you'll need to make sure your TV is plugged into an F-type connection cable, which has the little screw-on fitting on the end. When you're inside your TV menu, on your remote, press TV, then press Menu and go to Main Menu, go down to Setup, go across to the right to Digital TV Tuning Menu. Now inside here, if you haven't had a satellite signal on here before, you'll need to go down to Add TV Signal and select Satellite TV from the top. Once this is checked, select Start Auto Tuning. Tune in the Freeview channels. You'll then need to select your region, because every region has a slightly different variance on what channels it will tune in. We're in Auckland, so I'm going to select Auckland. Now the satellite for Freeview in New Zealand is Optus D1, which will display on the screen here. So if you've got this message, it means that you need to change some settings on your LMB before you can tune in Freeview. So go to the main menu by pressing Menu, Main Menu, go down to Setup, across to the right until you get to Satellite TV Tuning Menu. Inside here, down from the bottom, you'll see LMB Configuration. Now, by default, your LMB will be configured to 11300 as your LMB band frequency. But if your LMB on your satellite dish is a different one, you'll need to change it to 10750. So you can do this with your remote by pressing down and typing in 10750. It then should show your signal strength and quality from here, and once it goes green, you're good to go. Other settings you can change is you can turn your LMB power on or off. Then go back and select Auto Tuning. Select Auckland. It will then start to tune in and should take a couple of minutes. Once you've gone through this process, your TV should now be tuned into channel 1. If you're still having reception issues or no signal, there are a couple of things to take into consideration with satellites that you may want to check out. Now, if you can safely access your satellite dish, you might also want to check out your LMB condition, which is a little doofer on the end of your satellite dish. If your LMB is showing signs of sun fade, or it's got small droplets of water inside your LMB lens, this is a really clear sign that your LMB needs to be replaced. Now, if you can see that your LMB does need replacing, or you haven't managed to access your dish and you're really not too sure what's going on, I highly recommend getting a satellite technician out to your house to check it for you. They'll usually replace the LMB, realign your dish, and probably tell you how good your signal is and if there are any other things that are affecting your signal. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more information on how to do things and set up your TV, check out our video series on how to do a thing.